Shehds recently asked if I would like to check out one of their moving head strobes. So I said yes. So this is a bit of a preview as to what this can do. In the box, you'll find a PowerCon type power cable. Then there is a steel safety cable plus an eye bolt for when you're hanging the light, a DMX patch cable, and finally 2 brackets which you can use to put your own clamps on. On the rear, we have DMX in and out 3-pin, and we have power in and out, so you can daisy chain these. On the bottom, you have the feet so you can set these on the ground, or you have the holes for the bracket mounts. All right, let's connect the power and see what it does. Like any moving light, it needs to boot up. And I'm probably stating the obvious, but as you can see, it has a tilt function. It does not have a pan function. Since I don't have a console here, let's just go ahead and put it into auto mode. So I'll hit the set button, and then I'll go here, and we'll choose instead of DMX, we'll just put it into auto, like this. And away it goes. This thing is very, very bright. I made the mistake of looking right at it when it came on. It's going through several different patterns here. Besides the color and the strobing, you can also see it's going to have letters and numbers come up here in a second. Scrolling through the menu here, besides being able to set your DMX channel, obviously, you have the ability to go ahead and set it for a 6-channel mode, a 19-channel mode, or even a 301-channel mode for pixel control. Like I said, this is a bit of a preview for this. I've set it up at the shop, and I've set it up here on my studio desk. Look for another video in the coming weeks when we set this up on stage and see it in a full setup. I'll get Jeremy involved for another lighting video, and we'll go ahead and put this through its paces on stage, and we'll just see what we can do with it. So far, I've got to say it's been very impressive. Thanks to Shehds for sending this over, and thanks to you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.